Hello everyone, I am Ninakshi Rana, English lecturer of SDM Inter College, Radhabad. Today's video topic is rules to change direct and indirect of imperative sentence with the help of let or use of let. So let's start. Let is used to show proposal. Reporting verb said is changed into proposed or suggested. Rule number second. Inverted comma is removed by connective word that. It means कि जो आपका inverted comma है उसकी जगह हम word use करेंगे connective word that, और पहला जो रूल था उसमें said को आप चेंज करेंगे proposal और suggested में. नंबर 3 है letters is changed into they should और we should according to the subject and number person of the sentence. एग्जाम्पल देखिए, he said let us play a match. Its indirect is he suggested that they should play a match. Here your subject is he, so it is third person, so it become they should. Next example, I said to my friend let us go to some holy place. Its indirect is I suggested my friends that we should go to some holy place. So here the person is first person, so it become we should. Now there is a thing to remember, if letters is not used in the reported speech it is changed into objected or against. ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल देखिए, let us go to the zoo said Mohan, let's not said Radha. Mohan suggested to Radha that they should go to the zoo but Radha objected. और इसको हम दूसरी तरह से भी चेंज कर सकते हैं, मोहन सजेस्टेड टू राधा दैट दे शुड go to the zoo but Radha was against it. Now in let is used to show request also. Its rule is reporting verb said is changed into requested, यानी कि आपका reported verb क्योंकि उसमें request होती है तो हम उसको requested में change कर देते हैं. नंबर 2 है let is changed into to let और let is changed into that with the connective word and might be allowed. See the example also. He said to his friend, let me go home. So its indirect is he requested his officer to let him go home. Or we can change into another way also. He requested his officer that he might be allowed to go home. समझ में आया आपको? Now see, if the reported speech is started with let, they be, then it's changed into that there should be. इसका एग्जाम्पल देखिए, he said let there be no inquiry into my case. Its indirect is he requested that there should be no inquiry into his case. तो यहाँ पर आपका there be यूज हुआ था इसलिए हमने इसको चेंज करा there should be. Now let is also used to show command. इसमें देखिए आप, इसका reporting verb said is changed into commanded or ordered, and let is changed into that, and should is returned after noun or pronoun. See the example. The officer said to his clerk, let no one come late. Its indirect is the officer ordered his clerk that no one should come late. So it's clear to everyone. So students, as imperative sentence have order, request and command. So उसी तरह से हमने इसको तीनों में अलग अलग करके एक्सप्लेन किया है. फर्स्ट वन इज था आपका प्रपोजल, उसको हमने चेंज किया है प्रपोज्ड और सजेस्टेड. उसके रूल्स में आपने देखा है उसके साथ कनेक्टिव वर्ड हम दैट का यूज़ करते हैं. सेकेंड था आपका एग्जाम्पल रिक्वेस्ट. रिक्वेस्ट में टू लेट को चेंज करते हैं आप दैट से, और इसमें भी आपने देखा था कि रिक्वेस्ट होती है तो उसमें रिक्वेस्टेड आ जाता है. इसी तरह से तीसरा है सेंटेंस आपके जिसमें आते हैं कमांड. इसमें भी वर्ब आपका चेंज हो जाता है कमांड और ऑर्डर्ड में. इट डिपेंड्स कि आपको सेंटेंस कमांड का है तो जैसे ऑफिसर्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं अधिकतर हम कमांडेड, और बाकी जैसे टीचर्स हैं या प्रिंसिपल वगैरह हैं उनके लिए आता है आपका ऑर्डर्ड. सो इस तरह से आपको ये क्लियर हो गया होगा. इट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. बाय एंड टेक केयर.